Hey guys, I'm Jason.
And I'm Ursula.
And we are having
Fun with soap.
fun with soap with our friends from Fun with Soap. They've given us a melt and pour soap do-it-yourself kit for us to make our own soap.
We are so excited to try this because we've never done this before and it looks really fun.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it.
So here we have some essential oils and fragrance oils. We have some dyes.
With the soap molds, instructions. I'll read the instructions and unpack. 1 kilogram white melt and pour soap. 1 kilogram clear melt and pour soap. You are going to need some equipment and some tools as well. You need a scale, cutting board, a set of measuring spoons, a metal whisk, a large knife, a rubber spatula, some ramekins for fragrance oils, a soap mold, a large glass liquid measuring cup, and paper towels. First things first, place the glass measuring cup on the scale and zero out the weight. Next, cut the melt and pour soap base into small chunks and place them into the container until you've got the amount that your mold will hold. Next, we've got to melt the soap base in the microwave.
Okay, let's go. So this was a couple of bursts of like 10 seconds at a time, like 2 or 3 times we did that. Actually really easy to melt that down.
Cool. It's like melting chocolate, I suppose. Bursts and it comes out all nice and delicious, except you don't want to taste that. Put your fragrance ramekin onto the scale and zero out the weight.
And let's do lavender and rose. Should we do rose?
Lavender and rose, yes. So 2.5 mils, 2.5 mils. Slowly add the fragrance to the melted soap base and gently stir. Okay, so we've got the fragrance, the lavender rose, and now we're going to add some color to it. We're going to make purple. What makes purple?
Red and yellow.
That makes orange.
Blue.
Blue and yellow.
Okay, let's do that again.
Nice. Let's go.
So, now we're going to put it into
The soap.
this one. Oh,
Oh, wow.
that's so cool. Can you see it nicely? Don't stir hard,
There's the
remember?
yellow. Okay, yeah, just gently. Oh,
Not going purple.
so blue and yellow makes, blue and yellow makes
Blue. Green.
green.
What makes purple?
What makes purple? Red and blue. Red and blue makes purple.
So now we have to try and make it purple. So we're going to add in extra red.
Okay, whoa.
Extra red. Oh, that's nice.
What a mess.
No, but no, you're not supposed to...
That's grey.
Sorry, so we were supposed to do this, it's like a lilac-y colour.
Now we're going to have a grey soap and a purple soap.
Interesting colour.
A grey soap. Okay. Round 2 in a moment. Alright, so we did so it's been a couple of hours, but to be honest, I reckon you could stick these in the fridge for 30 minutes and they'll be fine. But this is the final outcome. Yay! Okay, let's pop them out, let's see. Figure that out. Hey.
Beautiful!
Ooh,
Oh, it smells so good.
what's yours smell like?
Rose.
That smells like heaven. So this is kind of the grey
Oh.
one, but it's still very pretty.
I like that colour.
Yeah, I quite like
Thank
that
you
as
very
well.
much.
You guys can have fun with soap, literally, and fun with soap. Give them a shot and get your DIY kits today. We're going to go make some more.